Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Are you struggling with checkout issues on your Shopify store? Or just want to be sure your customers have a smooth, reliable buying experience in 2025? You're in the right place. In this guide, I'll walk you through the essential steps to fix and optimize your Shopify checkout so you can avoid abandoned carts and keep your customers coming back. By the end, you'll know exactly how to update those checkout settings for better results. Let's get started. First up, you'll want to head over to your Shopify admin page. This is your store's control center, where you manage everything from products to customer orders. Take a moment to log in and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side. You'll see a menu with all your Shopify options. The next step is to click on Settings. This might seem straightforward, but it's a crucial move. The settings area is where you control the behind-the-scenes details that really shape your customer's experience. Sometimes, checkout problems come down to little tweaks right here. Now, in the settings menu, find and select Checkout. This section is all about how your store handles payments and customer data during the buying process. When you open up the checkout settings, you'll see lots of options. Don't let those overwhelm you. We're going to focus on the key details that actually matter for a functional, buyer-friendly checkout. Let's check the customer contact method. This determines how your customers enter their contact information at checkout, whether it's through email, phone number, or both. For most stores, making sure customers can enter an email is essential, since that's how receipts and shipping updates are sent. If you only allow phone numbers, some customers might get frustrated or bail out, so I'd recommend enabling both if possible, and double-checking this setting to avoid headaches later on. Moving down, you'll see the Customer Information section. Here, it's important to look at which fields are required. Think about what you actually need to deliver the order successfully. For example, a complete shipping address, name, and a way to contact the buyer. If you skip any of these, there's a risk the order could get delayed or lost. Carefully mark these as required, but also keep it simple to avoid overwhelming your customers. If you ask for less essential info, shoppers might hesitate, so stay focused on what matters for delivering the item. You'll notice an option to add a tipping option as well. This one's totally up to you. Some stores like to give customers a way to tip for great service or rush orders. If you think your audience might appreciate this, try enabling it and see if you get extra support or feedback. Next comes the post-purchase page. After a customer completes their order, they'll see this page, so it's a wonderful chance to thank them and encourage repeat business. You don't need to write an essay, just a friendly, authentic thank you message, maybe a note about upcoming promotions to let people know you care about their experience. A simple, genuine gesture here can make a big difference in customer loyalty. There's another detail, checkout language. Make sure the countries you support primarily understand English or select the language most common for your buyers. This avoids confusion and ensures every customer can move smoothly through checkout steps. If you notice customers from other regions, consider offering translations or clarifying any important instructions. You can also add specific checkout rules. These could be things like minimum order amounts, age verification, or restricting certain products. Setting these now helps avoid compliance issues and ensures you're protecting your business. Once you've made all your changes, don't forget to hit Save. This is easy to overlook, but the changes won't go live until you do. So just take a moment to double-check everything and press that button. That's it. Your checkout should now be fast, functional, and customer-friendly. If this tutorial helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below with any questions you have. I'm always happy to help you troubleshoot. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more Shopify tutorials and e-commerce tips. Thanks for watching and good luck with your store.